of this touchable opacity, we're going to have another touchable opacity. Right now, we just need to create a button to direct us to the restaurant, because if we click on the food, we should have an option of getting into the restaurant somehow. So that's what we need to do. So we're going to get rid of this particular icon that we have in here, and we need to leave this. And for the style, we're going to just have our style in here. So the first thing that we're going to have is our position. So for the position, it's going to be absolute, and we're going to use bottom. So for bottom, we're going to give it a 30, and we're going to give it a right. Okay, so right, we have to give it 0 here. So that's it for the touchable opacity. Inside of the touchable opacity, we're going to have a view. Okay, so let's go ahead, create a view, and then we're going to style this view. So we're going to add a style. So the first thing that we're going to require inside of our style, we're going to require border color. Okay, so we're going to give it a color, and our color is going to come from our constants, and we're going to go with the primary color. After that, we need to give this a border width. Let's go ahead and give it a width of 1. After the width, let's go ahead and give this a border radius. We're going to give it a border radius of 15. After that, we're going to give it a padding. We're going to give it a padding of 10, and we're going to give it margin right. And to the right, we're going to give it a 10, like that. So that's our button right there. We need to add something inside of this view for it to be the way that we want it to be. So let's just move our style down here. So we can say rest btn, short for restaurant button. So for restaurant button, let's just move everything in the correct format, like that. And here, don't forget to, this is our share btn. It seems like it was a little bit up, so you just need to add a little bit of size here. You can just add 3 so that it can be on the same level with the other one. So here we need to access our styles, and from our styles, we're going to get this rest btn. Okay, so inside of the view, we're going to have a text component. In this text component, we are going to say open the restaurant or the store. Let's just say store so that we can keep it short. Okay, so it's going to be like that. Our color is primary. Let's see. Here we might need to take the border radius a little bit down. Here, instead of 30, bottom 30. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a 20. Okay, push it down a little bit, 25. So we need to style our text. Okay, so to style our text, let's go ahead and give it a style, and then in here we're going to access the styles, and we're just going to have rest text. Okay, so that's restaurant text. So for restaurant text, we're just going to give it a color. We have a limited number of properties that we want to manipulate. So here we're just going to have colors dot light white. Let's go with light white. It's not visible enough. It's not visible enough. Gray, not visible enough. Gray 2, not visible enough. So what we can do here, let's just try to give this a background color. Let's give it gray 2, and let's give this light white. Font family, I'm going to go with medium. Okay, let's go ahead and leave it like that. So if we click, we're supposed to open this door. Okay, so here it's going to be dependent on the background color. If the background color is dark, then it's going to be visible. If it is not, then it's going to be a little bit hard for people to really see the button. Go with tertiary. Okay, let's go with tertiary here. So we're done with that part. Next, we're going to be focusing on whatever we're going to have underneath here.